Welcome back to the channel. So guys, I just got back from going to USTE this past weekend. Had such a great time. Met up with some old friends, met some new ones. Had a blast. If you've never been to USTE, you've got to go. Awesome event. It's gotten so much bigger. The vendors, all the big names were there, vendor-wise, YouTubers and stuff. All great time for trail trucks and crawling and just enjoying RCs. So had a good time. I actually took a lot of rigs. I took the Predator, never touched it. Took my trail walker, it drove some trails. Took my 6x6, didn't touch it. Took the Gen 8, drove it on some trails. Took the TRX4, drove it on some trails. I took my Jeep here that I never touch, and oh my God, I had a blast with this thing. Took my Max, which you might not be able to see down here, broke it. But this thing right here stole the show. If you follow the channel for a long time, you know I bought this a year or two ago. Sort of an impulse buy because of the looks. It's leaf sprung, axial based. Hadn't been all that thrilled about it. I did 5 trails with this over the weekend. I had the most fun driving this than anything. That's part of the reason I didn't drive the 6x6 was because of that right there, because I wanted to drive that more. It performed awesomely, at times had challenges, but overcame most of those challenges. Awesome rig. It's deserving of some upgrades. So here in the near future, I think we're gonna put a new motor in it, an ESC, I don't know, maybe an interior, I don't know. We're gonna be working on that in the very near future. All the other rigs that I did run, no issues. The only rig I had an issue with, and it's of no fault of its own, is the Traxxas Max. If you're familiar with USTE and the Basher Park, I was bashing it in the Basher Park, blew out 2 front tires. And on the grand finale, which there's videos out there, I did not get videos of this because I partaked in the grand finale, actually busted a rear out cup and bent a rear drive shaft. So got some repairs I'll be doing on that in the near future, but it still drove back to my car. I didn't have to carry it. It took its beating very well, and considering what I've put this thing through at 2 USTEs, and even when I play with it, I'm not a bit mad that I broke it. But had such a great time. I did pick up some stuff while I was there. So I got Adventure Time RC's new sticker, a couple of those. I got a scale banner from Adventure Time RC. I met, I believe his name's Chris, but RC Terminator on YouTube. I spent most of the weekend with him and Adventure Time RC and Team Sergeant RC crawling. Got a scale banner from UST. They were handing these out. Needs to go in the scale garage that I need to get put back up. They do drawings every day for free stuff, if you want to call it that. Got this little goodie bag. There's some Boom Racing links in there, some stickers, a scale battery. And I picked up from Pitbull Tires a set of original Rock Beast 1.9s. My intent is to put these on these wheels here, take off the landmines, and try them out on the Predator. So we'll be doing that in the near future. So some things that were new this year. They had drifting. They had a small drifting course set up. That was awesome. Got to meet Roadside RC, Troy, awesome guy. Talked to him quite a bit, watched him do some drifting. So you're gonna see some videos come out from me from drifting. Their mini course for 124 scale was phenomenal this year. I think they said they spent 3 days putting this course together. It was awesome. I borrowed a friend's 124 scale and drove on it. It was an awesome course. So I got some video from that. The semi trucks were awesome. Everything was awesome. The trails, 10 trails, had such a great time, did them all. Did Trail 9 twice. Just a wonderful weekend, guys. You have to go to USTE. It is a have-to event. It is phenomenal. The people are awesome. You've got Reefs RC, Scalar Fab, Holmes Hobby, Pitbull Tires, J Concepts, Element, Red Cat, Exo Caged RC, Jack's Recycling Repair, Dixieland RC, K&K. There's more I know I'm forgetting, and I apologize. Tons and tons of vendors there for you to get certain parts and whatever you need, and everybody's extremely helpful. Mr. Holmes was there, and he did a motor class that I attended, which was awesome. I got some video of that I'll be putting together for you guys, talking about some gearing and stuff like that. So awesome content coming with that. I've got video from all the trails, multiple angles. We'll see how that turns out, how it turns out to be edited. So start expecting to see those videos coming out at the end of this week. And I think in this video, I think I'm going to throw in a little bit of 1/24 scale and maybe a little bit of drifting in this video for you. So check that out.
You've been practicing? I can't do that with mine. This is all I do in my driveway, bro. I was looking for different before for a little while. I was like, he did good. Here's got to hold up pretty quick. Gotta kill gas. No. MSP came to. Just loud enough to hurt you. Yeah, we're going to swap some. I do have other. Did you bring any other tires with you? He's got some. Yeah, we got to see what tires he has. We just need to see what tires everybody else is running. We normally run here. When we had this surface, we had a much bigger.
We're working on getting it knocked tinny. Tinny? Still tinny. Feedback. Echoing. Oh, it's echoing and tinny. Not that one. Hey, element of you. Sophisticated device right here.
If you have a number on your wristband and you have not come to registration to see if your number is on the board, please do that. And that needs to happen in the next 10 minutes. If you have a number on your wristband and you have not come to registration, please do that. We are trying to give you product.
If your number is 624, come up. 146 20 332.
All right, guys. So there you have it. A little bit of overview, just some drifting. It was awesome to see. I did attempt to do some drifting. I've never drifted an RC car before. It's not so easy. We'll say, but I did get to attempt. But it was awesome seeing them drift and get to see them do it. People like Troy with Roadside RC is very good at it, and there were some other drivers there that were very good drifting, and it was awesome to watch that. I'm hoping next year that course maybe for the drifting gets a little bigger. Maybe it'd be awesome. But that was a great time, and you'll be seeing more videos coming out, quite a few for USTE 2022. And again, don't miss it. I'll put a link down below to the website for USTE. You can sign up for the newsletter, and they'll let you know when more new information comes out. They'll let you know when tickets go on sale for next year. Pre-register, I can tell you, pre-register. And if you're gonna go, by all means, go all 3 days. You need all 3 days to get everything in if you really want to. I've only been for all 3 days, and to be honest, I wish there was a fourth day. Operation 11 Charlie was there, JB the Voice, Sean's RC Adventure, Javier from 11 Charlie. All those guys are awesome. RC Voodoo. It's great to see everybody and meet some of them I hadn't met in person yet. Awesome weekend. I think they had close to 40 veterans over the weekend that they had there that they took care of. That was phenomenal, and I know a lot of money was raised for the Operation 11 Charlie group, and it was phenomenal to see. So guys, until the next time.